Today we are at a grand event taking place in Dubai, and today we would like to share information about a developer from Sharjah who is building one of the largest communities in the coastal area, featuring a wide range of infrastructure and a prime location right on the seafront. There will be both residential apartments and townhouses, standalone villas, and mansions starting from 3 bedrooms. In this video, I would like to tell you in more detail about the current offers available today for residential apartments, including studios, 1 and 2 bedroom units that are either already completed or nearing completion. Everyone knows that properties in Dubai are at least 3 times more expensive than similar locations on the first coastline. However, with a more modest budget, you can consider something in the neighboring emirate of Sharjah, which is also developing and has freehold status, where non-residents and foreigners can purchase property and register it in their own name. This is Alibek with you, and you are on the Nevestate channel, where we discuss real estate in the United Arab Emirates and share insights. Stay with us, there's a lot of interesting content ahead. So, to my right is the model. Here we have 6 residential complexes, A, B, and C. Projects A and B are almost ready for occupancy, and Complex C will be completed in 2025. Each residential building consists of 6 residential floors, plus 2 podium floors, which are the lobbies, where all the necessary infrastructure is located. A gym, a spa area, a sauna, and much more. Retail centers will also be located along the promenade with access to the beach and, in fact, directly to the water. So, the infrastructure is also concentrated in the center. This includes an outdoor pool and cabana, a cafe, and an open-air co-working area. 6 floors. Each building contains studios, as well as 1 and 2 bedroom apartments. So you can purchase a studio for as little as approximately $130,000 on average with full payment, since the project is already completed. This option is suitable for those who are considering renting out the property and do not want to wait through the construction period, which typically takes 2 to 3 years. You can pay in full and start renting it out comfortably, earning a passive income of about 7% net per year. I would also like to point out that this complex is not just a collection of residential buildings, townhouses, and villas. It will be a separate, independent local community with its own infrastructure. There will be its own mall, as well as social facilities, a school, and a medical center, a dedicated water park, its own marina, and access to the beach. I would also like to add that it is very important to note that these are not artificial islands. This is the mainland, where a canal was dug, and there is natural water circulation from the Persian Gulf. There are still studio and 2 bedroom apartments available. 1 bedroom apartments are available through exclusive allocation. So if you are interested in this project, you can follow the link below and send me a request. I will answer any additional questions you may have. Now, regarding the location and distances, on average, it will take you about 35 minutes by car to get to the XB airport, which is located in Dubai. And also, for those who don't know, in the neighboring emirate of Ras Al Khaimah, the first AAA class gaming complex in the Middle East, Wind Resort, is being built, which will open its doors in the first quarter of 2027. And in comparison, for example, with the options currently being offered on Al Marjan Island, where the average price of a studio starts at around $270,000, you can consider an option here. It's literally 15 to 20 minutes by car, and you can reach the casino, which, as I mentioned earlier, will open in 2027. This is a unique opportunity for investors who are considering options in the budget range of approximately $150,000 to $200,000 to look at a property on the first line by the sea, with access to a private beach and all the infrastructure that will be ready in a few years. A unique opportunity, so if you are interested in this offer, feel free to reach out. I'll be happy to help.